Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your crypto identity with Civic, detailed guide step by step clearly. To manage your crypto identity with Civic, begin by visiting the Civic website. Download the Civic app available on Android or iOS. Open the app after the installation process is complete. Create an account by following the on-screen prompts. You will be asked to provide a valid email address. Verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Next, set up your password ensuring it meets security requirements. Once logged in, navigate to the Identity Verification section. Choose the type of identity verification you prefer. Follow the prompts to upload necessary documents, such as your ID or passport. After uploading, confirm that all details are accurate. The app will process your documents for verification. You'll receive a notification once your identity is verified. Once verified, you can access features tailored for secure transactions. Link your crypto wallets for enhanced security and management. Utilize Civic's features to control who has access to your personal information. Regularly review and update your identity settings as needed. For additional security, enable two-factor authentication. Occasionally check for app updates to ensure you have the latest features. Stay informed about Civic's security policies and practices. By managing your crypto identity effectively, you enhance your online privacy and security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.